She says she loves me, but she comes and goes when she pleases when the door shuts. It's like another paper cut, and I'm stuck with a handful of band-aids until she comes back around like them ceiling fan blades. Claims she loves me, but she cuts me into pieces when I'm sewed up. Here comes another paper cut, now I'm stuck with a handful of band-aids until she comes back around like them ceiling fan blades. We met 22 years back, fresh out the womb.
Trabajarlo luego, ¿vale? No lo dejes aquí. ¿Sí? O sea, no se aprendáis, o sea, ropita.
She consumes me, no room for self these days. Yeah, she's so demanding. Do this, do that. Don't forget to take your medicine. I hate it when her face is invading my head again. The welcome mat reads, please take off your shoes, but she disregards the statement. I've grown accustomed to bending my beliefs to satisfy your needs, but I'm fed up with plugging cuts every time they bleed. So I did my pen in the puddle where the bloody mess has been, trying to end the struggle. But I love it.
Nigga fucking got hoes in the bathroom at the club off that trouble in my zone with all my jewelry on. Nigga, bloody hair downs, never seen a bitch quite like this bitch. I got in the fifth off that coconut, so rock a nigga like the whole bitch.
We get it almost every night when that moon wild tonight, everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight, dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
Que para mí ha sido un honor, o sea, porque han sido personas mías y personas de Sergio. Yo personalmente me lo he pasado pipa, o sea, me lo he pasado genial con todos vosotros, o sea, ojalá todas las clases, cursos o veces que yo baile con gente como vosotros porque ha molado muchísimo.